What's up, all my investors? I'm back with another HINANCE video, and today we're talking about the record-setting buybacks that happened in 2021. I tried to warn y'all. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. Put a money sign in the comment section below. I appreciate all y'all. If you're interested in joining the Discord chat, make sure you pay attention towards the end of the video. I'm going to be sharing how you can join, and I want to see you in the chat. So make sure you watch towards the end of the video, all right? So yes, I had told y'all back early in 2021 that the buybacks, you had to take advantage of the buybacks. It was a good way to look at things, to be involved in the company that was buying back their stock. You may be wondering, what does that mean? That's confusing. I don't get it. But I'll speak a little bit more of that in a little bit, but I definitely want to talk about this $850 billion 2021 in buybacks. Some of the biggest companies, man, they made up about 30% in buybacks. A lot of banks have been buying back too. And these companies, they talk about these plans. And some people think it's good, some people think it's bad. You have to really understand the full perspective. There's different reasons why companies do it. Some companies do it to inflate their prices. Some companies do it so that they can wrap up options for their employees. Like Apple is starting to lose a lot of engineers to Facebook. So they're giving 180K bonuses. All that money ain't straight cash all the time. A lot of it is, we're going to give stock to this person so that they can have, we'll give them whatever, $100,000 in stock. And they can sit on it, they can sell it, they can do whatever they want. But we're going to give it to them to retain them as an employee because they know it's going to be worth a lot. So there's different strategies for the buybacks. But some of the biggest companies, y'all know, Apple in 2021 had $20.4 billion in buybacks. Facebook had $15 billion in buybacks. Google, $12.6 billion in buyback. Bank of America, $9.9 billion in buybacks. Oracle, $8.8 billion in buybacks. Look at these stock. Look at the 21 stock charts. Tell me, with that information I'm presented to you, because listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to answer all the questions for you. I'm here to turn the light on so that you can go and find some more information yourself. Look at those companies' charts from 2021 so you could see what the buybacks did or what it didn't do. So it has its pros, it has its cons, but it was a crazy year. And I expect 2022 to be even bigger of a year, because if a lot of companies bought, a lot of these companies, they got richer in 2020 and 2021. So the spending is only going to be higher. More companies are going to do it, especially if we go into some sort of a bull run. It's going to happen, especially now. A lot of things have corrected. It's a great time for companies that buy their stock, especially the ones that have sold off for no reason. Great companies sold off for no reason. Just people panicking and selling everything. It happens a lot. When you don't have the long-term perspective in this game, it can happen. I don't even want to call it a game no more, because it's not a game. Well, I call it a game to simplify. The game is to buy low, sell high, but it's not a game. You're investing in a company. You're investing in a business. So that's why I always say you have to understand it. You feel me? So yes, I think the buybacks, it's going to continue to happen. So, I think it's even more reason to be invested in these companies. Some people don't like it. Some people, they hate it, but you gotta play. Sometimes you gotta play with just how the rules are set up. It's not always gonna be perfect. But if I know, right, if you selling bread, and I know that you're gonna buy up, if you can buy up a bunch of your own bread, you're gonna buy up a lot of your bread at the store, right? Do I wanna be holding that bread? If I know you're gonna buy it up? I kind of do, though. Because I think about it. Say if you go in there and you start wiping out the shelves, people going to be looking for that bread. They're going to want that bread. And maybe sometimes at whatever price you're willing to offer it. And that's when the numbers get inflated. And that's what people don't like about it. But hey, I like to play the game, and I just want to put the information out there. The buybacks, they're setting records with it, and it's going to keep going higher. You let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's not good? I'm interested in hearing. Either way, if you're interested in joining the investors group chat, shoot me a DM above on my Instagram or Twitter. I will get you the details to join. We're just a group of investors looking to build generational wealth through sharing resources and having daily financial conversations, y'all. So I can't wait to see you in the Discord chat. Shoot me a DM. Don't be shy. Say what's up. I'll get you the link. It's free to join. And then, we can have more financial conversations. I'll check y'all out.